Hey guys! Today we're going to create a fully realistic character in just a few minutes using AI, perfect for social media content or even filmmaking. And the best part, this AI is free. Just like the Instagram model page you're seeing here, it's not just about images. You can generate lifelike videos and even create your own virtual influencer, whether it's an AI singer or a realistic digital model like the one I've made. On top of that, this AI lets you do things like lip syncing, generating illustrated stories for kids, and tons of other creative content, all with just a few clicks. One awesome thing about this site is that it's designed to help you create and keep characters consistent. Without any extra steps, you can lock in your character and create content for them in all sorts of situations and settings. To check out this AI, just search for digen on Google or click the digen.ai link in the description to go straight to the site. When you get there, you'll need to log in as usual. You can do that super easily with your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll see that it gives you 300 credits, and generating images is completely free. To create an image, you can upload a picture and get an output based on that, or like I'm about to do, you can type in a text prompt to generate an image. I'll jump into this section and write my prompt. Once I click the Generate Image button, it starts creating the image for me. After a few seconds, I can click Download to save it. If you want to switch models, just click the circle icon. It gives you two options, Flux 1 Dev and Flux Schnell. Both are available to use. One super cool feature is the Live Me button. This lets you keep your character consistent and place them in a new setting without any hassle. Just click Live Me and it locks in your character while dropping them into a different scene. Let's also dive into the video creation part. You can use model either Real Motion 2 or 1 for video generation. Generating a video usually takes about 2 to 5 minutes, so you'll need a bit of patience, especially with the free version. After waiting a few seconds, you'll see it's kept my character's face the same and placed them in a new setting. If you want, you can write a new prompt here to tweak the scene even more. Now, let's turn our image into a video. After picking your video creation model, you decide if you want the video to be silent, have music synced with it, or even include lip syncing. If you turn on lip syncing, it can match the music to the character's mouth movements. There's a sample music track you can use, which was made with AI. I won't play it too much because of copyright, but you can pick this track or choose from other music options to sync with your video. You can also write what you want the character to say in the speech section, or even record your own voice and add it to the video. When you're ready, click Generate Video, and after a short wait, it'll have your output ready. Here's the final result. I won't play it too long because of copyright, but you can see it's nailed the lip syncing and matched the music perfectly. I hope this tutorial helps you create a ton of amazing content and even make some money from it. Please like the video, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.